Hey YouTube, why is it so hard to make a simple video just like this one? I don't know. Hi, this is Silver Stories and my name's Joe. So I don't know why it was so scary to do any video, because even before this video I was like, what the hell do I talk about? I mean, is it the fear of just getting in front of a camera, or just the fear of the unknowns, like, oh, that guy's an idiot or a moron or something? I don't know. I mean, just being in front of this camera is just intimidating. But if you see my other videos, I'm talking to the camera with my family and stuff, so it comes naturally if you're just walking around or pointing to something, or but sitting in front of a camera when you're just by yourself, kind of weird. But I'm gonna try. So I've been seeing a lot of videos where people are just talking normally and they're getting a lot of views, right? So I'm gonna take a gander at it. So for the people out there that are 50 or getting close to 50 or over 50, I'm 50 years old now. So I'm trying to see whether YouTube's the thing for me or it's not. So maybe one of you guys or some of you guys have are close to 50 or over or under, who knows. But if you're like me, then you're trying to find ways to see where this goes, right? So let's do a take. So if you're 50 and you're wondering if YouTube has a start over. If you're 50 and you're wondering, how am I going to supplement my income when I'm getting close to 60, right? And you're not liking your job, or you're getting ready to retire soon. Maybe you're going to retire early at 55 or 58. You want to just call it, what are you going to do? Maybe YouTube is something you could do. Put your hobby or your profession that you learned throughout your years. You want to give that information to somebody else that might be looking at playing the guitar or learning a program that you already know for years, or anything can help. But can that supplement your income? Yeah, it could. People have been going viral for just a simple video. Then somebody's just camping out in the woods with their dog and they got millions of views. It's like kind of strange. So who knows? But what's funny is just now I was stopping my camera and going, because I fumbled so many times. I was like, why am I doing that? I can't just talk like a normal person. So I'm talking to a camera and it feels weird, right? It's not like somebody's right here next to me and I can have a normal conversation. So it feels weird to talk to a camera. So some of you guys might feel that way, but just talk to it and put it out there and see what happens. Maybe somebody might ask you a question in the comments. It's like, hey, what do you do? Or what's your profession? Or, what are your hobbies? Maybe I can learn from you. I don't know. But, I like playing guitar and going sailing once in a while, and hiking with the family. I like various things. Maybe one day I might buy my sailboat. I like the sailboat lifestyle that some people have. Yeah, there's pros and cons, but that might be another different video. So, but yeah, get out there. Just put your face on there and just start with something. This might be a short video right here, so I'm gonna see what happens. Maybe the algorithm might pick it up, maybe not. Maybe I gotta change something. But let me know in the comments if see what you would recommend for me to do. So this might be like a 3 or 4 minute video. I don't know. But yeah, try your best. I mean, everyone's doing it. I see a lot of videos out there that are just plain Jane. There's no thumbnails. There's no nothing. I see this lady. She's just talking in her car about making a video, because she's like 40 something, and so I'm gonna try my best to see if I can put a video out there every day or every other day and see what happens, and then I'll get back to you and see if it actually works. I mean, and yeah, who knows where it might take you. So give it a try and let me know what happens. So I'll see you on the next one and see how many clicks this one gets. All right. Talk to you later, G. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.